In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify not following my playlist. First, open the Spotify desktop application. If you already have it running, bring it to the front so it is the active window. You should see the usual layout with your playlists on the left, the main content in the center, and the playback controls along the bottom. Make sure a playlist is actually playing so we can see what Spotify is doing with your track order. Once that is open, move your attention to the Now Playing area at the bottom. Look for the shuffle icon, the one that looks like two intersecting arrows near the playback controls. When a song is playing, this area shows the track title, artist, and the timeline bar. The shuffle button sits close to the play and skip buttons, so check that row carefully and confirm you have found the two arrows icon. Next up, tap the shuffle icon until it turns gray or black, which means shuffle is off. If you see a green sparkle or a small plus sign on that icon, Spotify is adding random algorithmic recommendations into your track list. Turning it off tells Spotify to play only the tracks from your playlist, in order, without surprise additions. After you tap it, play or skip a couple of tracks and you should notice they follow your actual playlist instead of jumping to recommendations. With shuffle handled, move to your phone or tablet and open your playlist. Once the playlist is open on mobile, swipe down slightly on the screen to reveal the top toolbar. New Spotify users often miss this because the toolbar hides until you pull the list down a bit. When you do this small swipe, you should see options appear at the top, including search, sort, and filter controls specific to that playlist. From there, tap the Sort and Filters button in that top toolbar. A small menu pops up with different ways to order the songs. Choose Custom to force the playlist back into your own hand-picked sequence instead of sorting by artist, title, or date added. When Custom is active, the order in the playlist will match exactly how you arranged it, and dragging songs to new positions will immediately update the sequence. After you confirm the sort order, open Spotify Settings. Scroll down to the Storage section. On most devices, Settings opens as a long list, so keep scrolling until you see Storage. This section controls how much space Spotify uses and how it handles temporary files on your device. Now tap Clear Cache. Spotify removes temporary app data, but does not delete your downloaded music files. This can fix odd behavior where Spotify seems to remember an older version of your playlist order. Once the cache is cleared, you may notice the app reloads some images or data the next time you open a playlist, which is normal. At this point, remember that a corrupted local cache can prevent changes made to a playlist from syncing across devices. Go to Settings again if you are not already there. Then click Log Out, force close the app, reopen it, and log back in. This gives Spotify a clean session and pulls a fresh copy of your playlists from the server, so any order changes and follow settings should now line up on all your devices. You have now stopped Spotify from shuffling in recommendations, restored your custom playlist order, and refreshed the app so your playlists sync correctly. If this helped your playlists finally play in the right order, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more clear Spotify fixes.